I'm really enjoying it. It's such a race to be out there on the water, and you just go as hard as you can, as fast, and it's a really good adrenaline rush.
It's my second year. It's really fun. I paddled in the Travel Journeys 3 summers ago with the Tsayout Nation, and my parents asked me to join it with our community, and it was a 4-hour paddle. It was 7 days long.
I'm paddling for Warrior Sports Academy. It's a local gym that was started recently to help children train to become better athletes.
The time of 50.71, Galawaga Youth Center.